Hi everybody, Asong Filipina here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going home, so I buy some snacks here in Bonga. It's not far from the house. So today, I'm going to drive with these hills. I'm gonna show you guys. So we're going to use these hills for driving on the way home. So drive with me guys and let's go. Hi everybody, I'm here in the car and then we have to install the camera for videos in view. So hi. So we have to use the flashlight. Okay. In here. And we have this full view, but then we have to use the zoom out. Okay, first is we have to video 5 angle and then increase the speed up, but then we have to use the flashlight. So the flashlight is not working. So again, so 5 and then we have to on the flashlight. The flashlight is on. We have to on the video and then we have to put it here. This is how I do the videos view. I put some cell phone behind me and now this reef and we have to drive. I'm planning to buy an ice cream for my daughter, but then I'm not sure. So for now is let's go drive. Enjoy the view. This is Bonga and this is not far from the house. I always come here because they have a lot of restaurant here and you can also shop. Groceries they have, and you have also here gas station, but it's quite expensive compared to the city. And also they have also here a vegetables store. It's just in the street and the price is really cheap. Here I also come here for buying vegetables, and they have hardware store. Now what I like here is the view and the mountain is really beautiful here. The road is big, is wide and not so much traffic. We have a lot of pineapple here and Negros Occidental. So this is 69 road going to Bacolod, but now I'm going home. So I'm planning to buy an ice cream, so I will see if I can stop here, checking the area. So here we see. I will ask because I don't want to step out in the car. So I thought there's an ice cream here. I can stop here. So first, I don't have to go. Oh, I like it here because the police officer is having a survey around the area. So I have the ice cream now. And then we're going to drive home. So again, I'm back. So let's go. DSB police. Nice. And they also have big shop. So when I was young, I lived in this area. my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you want a custom video, just message me to my Facebook page, First Vlog, or else you can send me an email to my Gmail account. It is in the description down below. So, I love you all.